Levees are important in Pennsylvania because we're one of the most flooded states in the country.
Most of our infrastructure, it doesn't matter if it's levees, if it's water, wastewater, if stormwater systems, are designed for when they were installed. So it doesn't always mean that a particular levee is under-designed, but the possibility is real, and that's part of the reason why we need to make sure that they're adequate for the flood protection that they're intended to provide for the communities.
When we start talking about federal regulations and meeting higher engineering standards, we need to recognize that that can place a burden on these communities. So ultimately, we're hoping to reduce this overall burden so that they have access to new, easy to use, novel technologies that can help them make sure that the levee maintenance and accreditation requirements are being met.
Penn State, we come in, we are, trying to figure out what those needs are through our co-production process and really try to meet communities where they're at. And I think together, producing a project that's of direct benefit to our partners across Pennsylvania.
We're in the business of helping communities deal with flooding resiliency, and the idea is to take advantage of current technology. Geophysics is an example of a use of technology that allows us to do that.
So if this project helps improve communication or can help make the approach more affordable for local levied community owners and those local community leaders, then I think that we've done something good here.